Happy morning, children. We are happy to celebrate Ganesha Chaturthi. For that, we are going to make Lord Ganesha using tomato. For that, for making Ganesha, we need 4 tomatoes and a toothpick and paper and a bell pin. Okay, children, shall we see how to make Lord Ganesha using tomatoes?
Okay children, now see here you have to take 2 tomatoes. Okay, now take this tomato and you have to keep it here by using the toothpick. See, keep like this. Okay, and keep it here. See here, you have to make like this. Okay children, and okay children, now take another tomato. Okay, and cut the edges of this tomato here and here. Okay children, see here. Okay children, now take one edges of this tomato and cut in half like this, and do this also like this. Okay children, now we have 4 sides, and see, take one bell pin and keep it here. Okay children, now see here, keep another bell pin like this. Okay, okay children, now take the another 2 halves and we are going to keep it here. Okay children, now to take 2 halves, okay, 2 small halves of the tomato, and take one toothpick and cut it in 2 halves. Okay children, now we are going to paste the hands here, okay, by using the toothpick. Okay children, now take another 2 halves of the tomatoes. Now we are going to keep the ears for Lord Ganesha. Okay children, first of all take 1 half of the tomato and keep the toothpick in it, and we have to keep like this. Here also do the same. Okay children, we completed almost legs, hands and ears. Now we are going to keep the trunk of Lord Ganesha. For that, take 1 half tomato and inside the toothpick. Okay, now we are going to inside in it. Okay children, now we paste the eyes for Lord Ganesha by using 2 pepper seeds. See here. Okay, now we are going to decorate for Lord Ganesha. Shall we do now? Come on. Okay children, now see here, we are going to decorate now. For that, materials required is take any white powder or whitener. Okay, see here. Okay children, now we have drawn 3 lines for Lord Ganesha. Okay children, and now we are going to decorate for his trunk. Now we have to draw like V shape by using white powder or whitener. See here like this. Okay children. Okay children, now we are going to draw for ears. Okay children, now we have drawn for ears. Now we are going to draw for legs and hands. See here by using whitener. Okay children, we almost completed our Lord Ganesha by using tomatoes. See here the decorations. We almost completed the ears, hands and legs and trunk. Okay, overall we completed it. You have to do like this by using tomatoes, and the two eyes we used two peppers. Okay, like this you have to complete this Lord Ganesha and take a video and send it in the WhatsApp group. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all my dear children. Thank you all.